Desert Development Program. Before telling you about it, I would like to tell you about one more program, that is DPAP, Drought Prone Area Program, which was launched even before Desert Development Program in 1973-74. It was one of the earliest area development program to solve the problem of the areas which were constantly hit by severe drought. Major problems of these areas were depletion in vegetation cover, increased soil erosion, low groundwater level due to continuous exploitation. So that was brief about DPAP. Now coming on to DDP. It was launched in 1977-78 under the Department of Land Resources for hot desert areas of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Haryana and cold desert areas of J&K and Himachal Pradesh. Objectives of this program were to minimize adverse effect of drought and control desertification by restoring natural resources, to achieve ecological balance in long run, improve economic conditions of the resource poor and disadvantaged section of that area. So up to 1994-95, DDP was under implementation in 131 blocks of 21 districts in 5 states. In that same year, a technical committee was formed which was appointed to assess the performance of DPAP and DDP and to suggest measures for some improvement. It was Hanumant Rao Committee, and suggestions given by this committee were inclusion of 32 new blocks and transfer of 64 blocks from DPAP to DDP. So from 1995, total blocks under DDP became 227 in 40 districts of 7 states, and the corresponding area was 4.57 lakh square kilometer. So under DDP, there were 3 types of ecosystem. First one was hot, arid, non-sandy area, where financial share of central government was 75% and the rest was of state government. Hot, arid, sandy area, where central government funded 100%. Cold, arid area, where central government funded 100% as well. It was applicable only up to 31st March 1999. From 1st April 1999, program was funded on the basis of 75-25 ratio in all types of ecosystem. And from 1st April 1995 till 31st March 2000, cost per project ranged from rupees 22.5 lakh to rupees 25 lakh. But from 1st April 2000, uniform rate of 30 lakh was given for each project. In 1995, watershed approach was adopted for DDP. Now what is watershed approach? See, watershed is a piece of land that holds the water and it slowly releases the water into neighboring streams and water bodies. Similarly, many small watersheds join and form a large water body to compensate the need of water. So from 1995 till 2005, 13,476 projects were sanctioned to treat arid areas, and total amount for these projects were rupees 3,817.68 crores. So from 1995 to 2005, total of 35.31 lakh hectares of arid area covered. Largest amount of work was done in 2005 under the area of 6.01 lakh hectare, and smallest area under consideration was in year 1996, that is 1.31 lakh hectare. So it was all about DPAP and DDP. Yeah, one more thing. In 1989, another program was launched under National Wasteland Development Board, which was Integrated Wasteland Development Program. Its objective was development of wasteland on watershed basis. Since 26 Feb 2008, DPAP, DDP and IWDP consolidated as one, and program was named Integrated Watershed Management Program, IWMP. That's all. Thank you.